Here's my car. It is manually locked. I'm gonna hit the unlock button, and car is unlocked right now. Button's up, it's unlocked, and I'm gonna come around and hit the button to lock the car. And here's the button. Here's the button I'm gonna hit lock, and you can hear the horn, but door is not locked. And I'm gonna hit the button again, and button didn't go down. And I'm gonna do it again right here by hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here's the button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And button is not going down. I'm gonna try with the key again, right there. So nothing is happening.